nearly every home, business, factory, or industrial site, you'll find the work of a steam fitter. But what is a steam fitter? Steam fitters lay out, assemble, fabricate, maintain, and repair piping systems. Specifically, they construct and service refrigeration, heating, air conditioning, and process piping systems. They work on jobs of all sizes, from luxury hotels to downtown offices. Even your child's school shows a steam fitter's handiwork. This work cannot be accomplished alone. It takes a team effort between knowledgeable teachers and skilled apprentices and journeymen to make sure the job is done right the first time, every time.
Hi, I'm Kevin McClatchy of the Pittsburgh Pirates. Today I wanted to talk to you a little about teamwork. And the Pittsburgh Building Trades and the Steam Fitters 449 were part of the team that built the best ballpark in America. PNC Park was voted by Baseball America, ESPN, and many other publications as the best ballpark in America, and we're very proud of it. But it's their contribution, not just through their time and effort, but through the quality of their work. And a lot of their quality is a little like we send our players to spring training, but they spend their time with training. And their valuable training helped them put together one of the best team efforts and built one of the best ballparks in America.
Unlike the Pirates spring training, which lasts only a few weeks, apprentice steam fitters are put through a 5-year intensive training program. Apprentice steam fitters are taught the basics of construction and service in the piping industry. Steam fitters are taught not only how to design and build piping systems, but also how to service them. The classroom and lab work takes place at the Steam Fitters Technology Center.
We're very proud of the Steam Fitter Technology Center. This is the training center that we teach all our journeymen and apprentices the many different facets of the steam fitter industry. We use this facility to train our apprentices. Our apprentices are required to go to school. It's a 5-year program. Go to school 2 nights a week from September through May, where they receive 200 hours of theory training in labs at night. They also work during the day on-the-job training, where they get roughly 2,000 hours a year, equivalent to 10,000 hours after a 5-year apprenticeship. In our journeyman program, we offer many different certifications. Welding is one area where we do certification in the SMAW, which is a stick process for the 3 major gas companies. We also do plastic fusion certification for them. We do orbital welding. When Seagate was coming into our area, we quickly mobilized so we had people certified to do orbital welding.
About 5 years ago when we came to town, we needed to build a small clean room on the south side of Pittsburgh. When we began to do the construction, we hired union labor, but we felt there was some need for them to have special training and learn special skills. We met with the representatives of 449. They mobilized quickly, began training programs, and tried to help us in every way they could to get qualified personnel.
And 3 years later, when Seagate decided to expand their operations here in Pittsburgh, their choice was clear. Once again, they called on the highly specialized talents of the men and women of Local 449.
I feel that using union labor, you're getting not only highly skilled labor, but you're getting people that work safely and efficiently. And safety is very important to Seagate for all of its work.
Safety is also important to Local 449. Before their first day on the job, each steam fitter must complete OSHA training and certification courses.
We spend a lot of time on different certifications, OSHA 10 certification, welding certifications, plastic fusion certification, medical gas certification. Getting these guys to a quality or a level of education and skill when they go out in the field and do the job, they actually are doing it right the first time, better than anybody else. We don't have failures in the solder joints that we make. We don't have failures in the braze joints that we make. We don't have failures in the welds we make. That really fits into the UA's promotion of we do it right the first time, every time.
Doing it right the first time, every time, means working efficiently. Members of Local 449 are taught not only to work safely, but productively.
The Mechanical Contractors Association and Steam Fitters 449 not only stress the importance of safety, but also the productivity allows on-time, under-budget projects to be completed in our marketplace.
Quality craftsmanship is another trait important to union steam fitters. How does Local 449 make sure their members work safely, efficiently, and still do a quality job?
First, obviously, is the education. Our program is always under construction. It's always changing. It's always getting better.
We're pretty serious about training the people to quality craftsmen. And at the end of 5 years, I feel that you're putting out a quality craftsman, and therefore a non-union company can't compete with the education that we receive in 5 years, as opposed to a person just going to work for a heating and air conditioning company and trying to learn, not to say that somebody's not experienced or whatever, but you're trained by, qualified instructors of the proper way to do something. So you're getting a quality job in the end.
The classes at night, they give me a good solid foundation of what to expect out in the field. And then when I go out in the field, through the classes, I kind of understand what I'm looking at. And with the journeymen, they'll give me a hand also. So it's kind of like a hand and glove situation.
In addition to their solid education, there are other benefits to hiring a member of Local 449.
By calling the Steamfitters Union Hall for qualified manpower, we offer a vehicle to have people highly trained and skilled and certified to meet all of your needs. When a job's finished, you can lay that person off and send them back to the hiring hall, so that when you need people again, you have a pool of manpower where you can reach in and grab qualified people. It's a pretty unique system that lets you only hire people as you need them and lay them off when you don't. All the health care benefits and the pension benefits are all tracked by the union and backed by the ERISA laws of the federal government. So it's a handy procedure for you to be able to reach in and fill all your manpower needs.
Our workforce is dedicated to the customer. Our contractors have 24-hour, 7-day-a-week coverage, holidays, Sundays, Saturdays, during the Steeler game, during Christmas dinner. We also respond in rapid times. We have a lot of our contractors guarantee our customers 2-hour and 4-hour response times.
The Steamfitters Local 449 has made a commitment to provide the best training through its instructors for its end users, for our customers in Western Pennsylvania.
And that commitment shines through every hour of every day. Just ask Mark Trojanowski of Giant Eagle.
They were very professional people. Came in, knew the job that they had to do, came in ready to do the job, went about it in a very professional manner at all times.
Or check in with Dan Rooney, owner of the Pittsburgh Steelers.
All the trades were tremendous in building this building. They came in on time, on budget. The steam fitters especially, Steam Fitters 449 local were just tremendous. They have a training program that just sort of got the workers that were here well educated to do the job, and I can't say enough about them. It was just really a wonderful project, and you see the stadium we have. It's the best in the country, I feel, and especially for Pittsburgh. And it's done a lot for Pittsburgh as far as getting the town revitalized, and we're thankful to all the tradesmen that did the work, and as I say, especially 449 Steam Fitters.
Better education, better quality, a better choice. Steam Fitters Local 449 of Pittsburgh. A job done right the first time, every time. If you are interested in using highly qualified union steam fitters for your construction project or service needs, please call the business office at 412-381-1133. That's 412-381-1133. Or visit the website at UA449.com.